Create iridescent pearl art that pops with bubble gems. All you need to do is peel, pick up, and place to design your first creation. Bubble gems come in 4 different ways to create: super fun super stickers, mini kit keychains, Pearl Pals Disco Party, and backpack keychains. Designing dimensional stickers is easy and fun to do. Choose from 6 supersized dimensional stickers. Once complete, decorate your lunchbox, notebooks, folders, and more. Bubble Gems Pearl Pals Disco Party. Bedazzle and assemble your pets in rainbow backdrop, and let the Pearl Pet Party start. Bubble Gems Keychain Mini Kits. Take your Pearl Pet with you wherever you go. Adopt, create, and explore with Kitty Princess or Puppy Dog. Don't let your Pearl Pals party alone. Create 2 Pearl Pals and 2 backpack keychains for twice the fun. Collect them all and let the world sparkle and shine no matter where you go with whole Bubble Gem collection.